Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you ever been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Ethereum miner revenue outpaces Bitcoin in 2021. There's a new addition in the crypto galaxy named Dogecoin on Mars. Marathon Digital stock reaches a 6-year high as company hodls $460 million. Coinbase confirms it's launching a subscription service with zero fees. So let's start off with our video. Firstly, looks like the final moment arrived where Bitcoin was slightly left behind Ethereum and finally justified the title of Bitcoin killer even more. Oh, so you think only these meme coins are getting hyped up? Nah, I'm starting to love these rivalries. I mean, our generation loves them, don't they? Whether it's anime or Netflix, anything. So, yeah, let's have a look at it. In the year 2021, Ethereum has had an incredible run. Its price risen to many all-time highs this year, making it one of the best digital assets to invest in. The project has moved towards a deflationary mechanism, producing scarcity in the asset by burning one-third of the fees generated on the network, thanks to major network upgrades like the London hard fork. When the Chinese government began cracking down on crypto mining in the middle of the year, the ETH mining business felt the pressure as well. The crackdown had an impact on its mining revenue just as it had on Bitcoins. ETH, on the other hand, did not suffer as much as Bitcoin as a result of this shift. As a result, the assets miners have experienced a fair return on their investment. The disparity in mining earnings between Bitcoin and Ethereum miners has become noticeable. The results have also been influenced by the volatility of the two assets. Bitcoin mining is linked to a high level of volatility. ETH, on the other hand, has a beat at the most volatile asset. The volatility of ETH mining was 47% compared to 28% for Bitcoin. The revenue figures for ETH miners are heavily influenced by the volatility of daily revenues. BTC mining generates an average daily revenue of $45 million. This value is $56 million for ETH. ETH also has high statistics in parameters like average fee percentage of daily income and revenue correlation with fees. Because Ethereum miners' earnings are mostly based on transaction fees, the rate at which transactions are sent across the network has a significant impact on mining revenue. As a result, the variable fee structure of ETH might have a beneficial or negative impact on miners' revenue returns. When fees rise, revenue returns for miners rise as well, and vice versa. Furthermore, as illustrated by the 0.55% fee correlation mentioned above, ETH miners typically have a brief window in which they can earn revenues. The correlation has worked in ETH miners this year. Fees on the network have risen dramatically due to the growing popularity and adoption of decentralized finance and NFTs. Miners have benefited the most from this increase because they rely heavily on fee money. Despite the fee burn, the blockchain's payouts for miners are up for the year. Since the bull market ended in April, transaction fees on the Bitcoin network have remained quite cheap when compared to Ethereum. For the year, ETH miner fees accounted for 53% of total fees. Meanwhile, transaction fees only accounted for 1% of overall Bitcoin miner earnings. So ever wondered how Elon Musk's name is used to increase stocks? No? You think his tweets weren't enough? Dude, now literally one token named after Elon Musk has arrived. I wonder what next? Elon Musk currency? But this sounds like a rip-off to Doge. Let's have a look. It is currently one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, gaining quick traction as a result of its remarkable features. The cryptosphere has attracted enough participants that it was just a matter of time before a few crypto space cadets seized additional lands. Altcoins have recently received a lot of traction and have now ventured into space, specifically Mars with Dogecoin on Mars. It has been steadily increasing since it first entered the crypto market. According to Dogecoin on Mars, it is more than just a meme coin. It appears to be an absolute worldwide currency for the people. In today's ever-expanding crypto marketplaces, investors are continually looking for ways to benefit from their investments. Dogecoin on Mars has made its presence felt like an opportune time, providing investors with endless opportunities in an industry that was supposed to be on the verge of collapse. It has been proven over time that it is one of the most profitable markets in today's world. Dogecoin on Mars's entry on the market proves that cryptocurrencies are here to stay and have a long shelf life. Dogecoin is built on a liquidity pool concept concept with a total supply of 1 quadrillion Elon, of which 50% was delivered to Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin's wallet, which is a common practice for dog-themed cryptocurrencies that have been causing a lot of buzz in recent markets. The remaining 50%, on the other hand, is locked away with an inaccessible liquidity pool. Dogelon does not have a pre-sale that allows developers or early investors to purchase the currency before it is released to the general public. Dogelon Mars began with a $100 investment, and those who got it in early stood to make a significant profit. Investing in well-researched currencies or tokens such as Dogelon is usually lucrative because it provides great rewards. A few minor exchanges like as Poloniex and 0x Protocol offer a variety of ways to purchase Dogelon Mars. Uniswap, however, is the most popular exchange for the token. So, what do you have to lose? Invest in Dogelon Mars, one of the most profitable cryptocurrencies available now. Moreover, let's talk about some possessions we don't have. $460 million? I wonder how MNCs earn this much, huh? Is it even there? Well, let's dive into it. Marathon Digital Holdings, a crypto mining firm situated in the United States, owns more than $460 million in Bitcoin, primarily through mining and acquisitions over the last year. According to a report published on Tuesday, the mining company has been holding all Bitcoin earned by its activities, around 2,640 BTC, since its last sale in October 2020. Marathon Digital also purchased over 4,812 BTC in January, when the cryptocurrency's price were under $35,000. The BTC price is $62,056 at the time of publication, giving the mining firm 7,453 BTC holdings, a worth of $462 million. Despite worldwide supply chain challenges hurting the delivery of crypto mining equipment, the firm has continued to expand its mining activities. Marathon Digital announced that it's rented planes for part of its 42,381 ASIC miners, helping the company to create over 417 Bitcoin in October. The majority of the miners are already in use at Compute North's Montana plant, with another 12,331 rigs awaiting deployment in a Texas location. Marathon Digital Holdings stock, which trades under the ticker MARA, also soared a new high on November 3, surpassing $63 for the first time since May 2015. At the time of publication, the crypto mining stock had plummeted to $61.36. Despite plans to ramp up with the deployment of more than 90,000 previously purchased miners, the mining company said in May that it expects to reach 70% carbon neutrality for its operations. Marathon Digital estimates that by 2023, the fleet of 133,000 miners will achieve a hash rate of around 13.3 EH per second. So moving towards our last segment for today, we'll talk about a thing which everyone loves. Yeah, free stuff. So Coinbase has decided to launch a subscription service for free. Well, free but subscribe. Last time I saw this, it was a YouTube channel, by the way. Do subscribe to ours. It's free. With that being said, let's move on to our next news. Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the US, has confirmed to Decrypt that it is developing a new subscription service. The service was leaked earlier today when certain Coinbase members were given early access to the beta version of the service, which will be dubbed Coinbase One, last night. Users shared images of the impending product on Twitter, claiming that it would offer zero-fee trading and prioritized phone support to traders. One of the screenshots stated, "Enjoy $0 trading costs on unlimited trades as long as you're a subscriber. A pricing differential may be still applicable." Coinbase confirmed to Decrypt that it is working on such a service, but that it will initially only be offered to a small number of customers. The price of the subscription service has yet to be determined. In an email, a company spokeswoman said, "Coinbase has begun testing a subscription offering for our customers. Customers in the test group will be able to purchase, sell, and convert digital currencies on the Coinbase platform without having to pay a transaction fee. We are always interested in finding out more about how we may better serve our clients in various ways. Right now, we are still in early stages, so everything about the future product experience will be shaped by the feedback we receive from our users," the spokesperson said. The beta version's screenshot also revealed that the service would offer enhanced account security. You may be eligible for a reimbursement of up to $1 million in losses if any monies in your Coinbase accounts are taken by someone you don't know due to an account takeover, read the screenshot. Based in San Francisco, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency cryptocurrency exchange that prides itself on its ease of use despite receiving widespread criticism for its customer care. It's also the first crypto exchange to become public, having been listed on the Nasdaq in April. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of Coin Monks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.